Yo, 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 what's going on? We're back, we're back. There we Wednesday, right? It's weird being back, man. Weird being back. It's good to see everyone, though. Back of Will, congratulations on the birth. Hope it was going well. Yes, mate, thank you. Good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. Baby's alright. Wife's alright. Bit tired, but all good. Right, let me just get myself sorted. Let's have a quick look at news. I've got a bit of a different setup today, so I'm going to be a bit all over the place. I don't think there is any news to worry about. I haven't been following this government shutdown situation. I think it was all going on sort of around when little one was coming, so I've seen obviously on here that the government shut down, so basically there is no news coming out. So let's check anyway. So yeah, it looks like we've got no news. Yeah, I'm on a different platform. And because I've sort of got now more on my screens, and I've only got 2 screens, I've got out the missus's laptop for the chat. So I've got the chat down here in front of me on her laptop. It's all over the place. But yeah, weird being back. Still shut down, might reopen next week. Why did it shut down for? I could probably Google this rather than asking chat, but I haven't got round to it yet. Right, we've got 2 minutes just under. So just quickly, 3 trades today, 2 losses, 1 win. Bit easier if I show you one here. Oh, I keep using the wrong keyboard now. I've got 2 keyboards up. Short of the highs this morning, before even London session. Stopped out by what, 1.5. Successful long here. Tried again, stopped out by what, a tick, 2 ticks maybe. Yeah, a bit of a frustrating one today. Bit of a frustrating one. Oh mate, I keep knocking stuff. I've got my keyboard from my computer in my lap. And obviously I've got the keyboard on the laptop up here, so it's just everything's in the way. Right, I think I'm going to try the old Nasdaq open rejection as we are close to it. Right, what am I on micros? 1 contract, that's fine. Set up now. I think I'll do it on here as well. I haven't traded Nasdaq on this motive wave yet. 3. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Oh, I haven't got my settings set up right on here. I'm not taking on that. Straight dump off then. Doesn't look like I'm going to get it anyway. See, I'm using a motive wave. So yeah, new platform, but not quite used to it yet. Wow. I remember cancel this as that's pretty much target acquired. Alright, so we've just shot back down to value area low. I think you need to get rid of all these because they're going to annoy me. Be interesting to see how we respond here. Politics, nothing else. That doesn't surprise me at all. Yeah, I'm sure they'll sort it out at some point. Yeah, been a choppy day. Yesterday was choppy as well, wasn't it? I didn't trade much yesterday. I had something going on. I think I had a trade in the morning. Yes, a loss. Trading platform is that? It's Motive Wave. I've only been on it maybe about a week. I'm enjoying it. Welcome back, by the way. Cheers, mate. Yeah, it's just Motive Wave. It's a lot better for order flow stuff than Tradeify. And yeah, Tradeify, I don't know, it always just feels a bit fucking ancient, Tradeify. And this feels a bit better. So I've got the DOM up here. I've got time and sales. I've got footprint chart on my left monitor with the DOM as well. The trouble is I've only got 2 desktop screens, which isn't quite enough. So I've also got the iPad up with Financial Juice on and the dated calendar. And then in front of me now I've got the laptop with the YouTube chat up. You trade take profit trader through it. Yes, it was absolutely ball ache to set up. The way that Tradeify have got it set up, like the instructions for it is awful, and I think I spent about 3 or 4 days without any access to the account because they just there was no. I was trying to go to support and I just couldn't log in, but then they eventually sent me a link and I had to sign some the professional trader document things. Once I signed that, it was fine. So yeah, so I've got 150k take profit account up. Obviously you get a simulated account as well, which is cool. So I like a practice account. I like to mess around sometimes on practice accounts, and as far as I'm aware, you couldn't do that on Tradeify. I've seen the bookmap orders, yes. Normally, I would have a live YouTube video up of bookmap. People live stream it. Obviously, you're talking a few seconds delayed at least. So it's nice to be able to have it on my own. And I was paying like, what, $20 a month? No, £20 a month, I think, for TradingView. So the idea is, if I get on with this, which I am quite liking, I'll cancel TradingView, which was like £20 a month, and I think this would be about £35 a month. So you got to pay for it. But yeah, with Take Profit Trader, if you have a rhythmic data feed, you get level 2 data free, which obviously you don't get on the other one. So yeah, it cost me 35 quid for the platform to be able to use rhythmic, but then I get level 2 data. See the whole order book, which is cool. And the brackets are quite good as well. You can trade straight off the DOM. Drag your mouse wherever you want your thing. I've got brackets set up, so you can have different ones set up. So at the minute I've just got New York 5 points. I'm trading London, I'll have 2.5 points. You just flick and then it flips your brackets, and you can have it set up so it takes partials and stuff like that. It's quite cool. Guessing you watched that Words of Wisdom interview with the scalp. Yes, potentially. Is it Italian? I've watched that one. There's another one with Carmine on there. I want to watch that one at some point. It's so long. Gotta find the time for it. Because he uses these bubbles, doesn't he? The Italian guy, which I think are quite handy as well. But yeah, I mean, I already trade volume profile stuff, and I've always wanted to try and look at more like the DOM and the footprint and shit like that. So I mean, I've got to really give it a good go, and if it means paying a little bit extra for a better platform, worthwhile, isn't it? It was great. Yeah, mate, it was fascinating watching him trade live, wasn't it? And just calling everything exactly as it happens. I see them on the actual candles rather than having to watch bitmap at the same time. Yes, because you can get a heat map up with this, but I found that this wasn't really necessary. It's not a great heat map on this platform, to be fair. It's not as good as bitmaps. But yeah, the bubble is literally just an overlay that you can just lay over anything. So yeah, I decided to put it over the candles, and yeah, you can change the so it's currently set up for 100 contract filter, so it'll only pick up orders that are aggressive orders above 100 contracts. Fresh out of jail. I'm back. Been a while, innit? I think it was what? My little man is 3 weeks old today, and I was off the Monday before when I yeah, 3.5 weeks I've been away. I've been slowly easing myself back into trading the last week, really. Let's have a look at how my October is going. 100 up over all 3 funded accounts on October. Started off going quite well. Good couple of winning days. Monday was a winning day, but obviously that's been wiped, isn't it? Because of the issues with the internet. That's wiped, so I'll leave it there because it's still data that I traded. Just because it's no longer on the platform doesn't mean I didn't take them trades. But yeah, a bit of a rough last couple of days, but I found it quite difficult since Trump tweeted about the China tariffs. I found it a little bit harder. I feel like my stop loss needs to be a little bit slightly bigger. So I mean, today, all 3 trades are winning trade ideas, but yeah, just stopped out on this one, and just stopped out on this one as well. It's part of it, isn't it? Part of it. He was using 40 contracts, was he? I couldn't remember and I couldn't bother to go back. I had it set up this morning, 30 contracts like during London and Asia and stuff. Oh, keyboard. So obviously you get 30, you'll have loads in the New York session, but yeah, for the London session, 30 is quite good. I haven't really used them too much, to be honest, yet. I think they're quite good for reversals. Keyboard. That's the maybe 2, mate. I'm gonna set it in Discord, but how's the sleep? Yeah, cheers, mate. Yeah, not too bad, to be honest. The missus does most of the night shift, so she takes the brunt of it. But yeah, he's up maybe every 2-3 hours. If he's feeling nice, it'll go 2 hours, but 3 hours, sorry. Start with 30, then upped it to 41 to open the thing. Okay, let's put it on 40. The trouble is, it's just going to be quite a lot of noise. I mean, just at a glance. Jump on a minute. Just like there's bigger buyers than there is bigger sellers, but yeah, I definitely prefer 100. I think, yeah, for what I'll use it for is I want to see it around sort of key levels that I'm looking to reverse off of, and that's where you get the big orders. Whoa. I use it to retest of levels, see if that big bubble of buyers would protect that level if it come back down to it again. Yep. Well, I'm loving the footprint charts because you can see the I've got it set to 2,000 ticks, so every 2,000 ticks a new bar print, and you get a point of control per bar. So, and it quite often price comes back, so if you're looking for an entry, that point of control or just above it is normally quite a good place to put your limit order. So you can see, yeah, the highest amount of volume transacted per candle, which I think is quite cool. Yeah, I mean, right there, that looks like he was protected, didn't it, that order? So that was what, 400 contracts. Price come back down, pushing away from there. Three different ways to how I read the charts. It intrigues me, yeah. I think it's so hard to get my head around it. But I think what I've found most is I just need to keep trading like my normal volume profile stuff and try not let it affect me. Because yeah, I see stuff that talks me in and out of positions that I shouldn't be in, or out of positions that I should be in. And until I'm more used to it, it's pretty irrelevant stuff, so. Yeah, I think it'd be good for areas I'm looking for reversals at. The footprint chart especially, to see if there's any absorption going on. So if we get an aggressive sellers down here but price isn't going any further, chances are we're going to reverse. It's the same on the other side as well. But reading it is easier said than done. Just a load of fucking numbers. If the aggressive sellers push through, you should get huge momentum to the downside as it triggers all the buyers. We'll stop loss yet. And yeah, I think, like I said, with the point of control on the on per the bar, you can quite often get good, if there is going to be a retracement, good entry for that push through. Not really sure on today what I'm thinking. I was trading the outside of the value areas during the London session, but we had a choppy day yesterday. We've had a choppy day this morning. I can see us breaking out at some point. I was looking at the 4 hour earlier. 4 hour. I don't have a 4 hour currently. One day we do. Yeah, I feel like I'm liking the idea of shorts, I think, more than I am longs. It's slowly trending down all day anyway. Keep making new lower lows, lower highs. Yo, how you doing, man? I see you here again. Yeah, it's been a little while, hasn't it? It's been a little while. Good to see you there, mate. How you been? How you been? It's going all good with the wife and baby. Yes, mate, all good. Everyone's good. He's 3 weeks old today. And he looks like he's about 3 months old. He's a fucking chunk. He eats for fucking Britain. I give him a bottle of formula at night. We sort of tend to do like one bottle of formula. And she does the rest, breastfeed him. And yeah, for obviously they give you a little chart on how many spoonfuls to put in. Depending on how much water you're putting in there. And he's honestly having 3-month-old sittings. I think he's having 160 mil. I think he's on. I don't know what that is in ounces. In a pretty much in a sitting. It's a long sitting, but pretty much in a sitting. And yeah, that's supposed to be for when he's about 3 months old and he's 3 weeks. Happy. Cheers, Leo, mate. But he's good fun. I'm looking forward to when he's a bit more reactive. Like when you sort of make a funny face and you sort of notice it and laugh and stuff. Because at the minute he's just a big potato that just looks at you. Doesn't do anything. So I'm looking forward to him getting a bit more entertaining, but... Usually around 3 months, okay. I was the same, definitely more bonding happens then. Yeah, that's it, because yeah, at the minute, it's just a sack of potatoes, isn't it? It's just, nothing happens, nothing behind the eyes. But I mean, he's pretty chill, to be fair. He only really cries if he's hungry. If you time a nappy change wrong and he's hungry, he'll fucking let you know about it. He'll kick off. But other than that, it's pretty chill. I'm sure your wife appreciates a sack of potatoes, isn't it? I think she agrees. I think she agrees. No, I need to actually cancel my trading view plan because I haven't done that yet and I'll forget. What I love about Motive Wave as well, press this button up here and you can just move around freely. Then you press this again, it lines up with the DOM, so every time you move the chart the DOM moves with it, so you can clearly, like, the order book moves with it, so you can see, right, there's a load of orders sitting here, load of orders sitting here. Do you know what I mean? Like, it sort of just syncs with the chart, which I really love. I've got a little order set up here. Current session value very high. And you've got previous day appointment control just above it as well, so 150 contracts sitting at 780. That's I think we'll beat that 150 pretty quick. Let's do it on the funders as well. I'm going for a slightly bigger stop loss, 7.5 points. No, to be fair, I think 5 points should be fine. I think we're pushing up into there and probably going for the highs. What's this new platform? The platform is Motive Wave, Leo. I've been on it about a week. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. I think it's better than Tradeify. It costs money. I think it's... For the setup that I've got, I think it's about $50 a month. I think it's about £35, which I can deal with. Yeah, the plan is to cancel trading view, and it does everything all in one then. Okay, man. Oi, oi, how you doing, fella? How you doing? That's again, Sam. Not had a chance to say it in person. Yeah, I mean, yeah, today's my first day back, man. Yeah, cheers, mate. Cheers, mate. He's pretty cool. He's alright. He's chill. Oh, 270 sitting at this 780 level now. I might drag it down one. Pretty well rested, to be fair. That's good. It's because the face is smaller today. Nah, he's alright. Mrs. is doing most of the night shift anyway, so yeah, he's awake every 2-3 hours. So I mean, I'm normally sitting up with him till about 10-11ish. Then he sort of sleeps through till sort of 1ish, and then he's back up again around 4ish. That's not too bad. How have you been? Okay, man. The move go right? You were moving house, weren't you? It was pretty good, all things considered. Got a storage unit which helped Darko. Yeah. What was the crap with that then? What? Move all the move some of it out into a storage unit that you could do without, and then make the actual move a bit quicker. I ain't moving out. I ain't moving out. We're considering moving, relocating. It's just so expensive where we live. Looking at Shropshire. At the minute, I just a brief glance at it, nothing set in stone or anything, just but it's quite nice and relatively cheap. Bounce off of Andre's open was nice. Got me a quick 10 points. Oh, nice game, man. Nice. I was looking to I was just now. Okay, yeah, just tapped into it now. I did have it set up to do the strategy that I sent you on Discord, but we just shot straight down and took the target, so I cancelled it. I've got a short position set up at the 780 area. Don't know if I'll get filled or not. Big fan of those Asia levels. Oh, good. I'm glad I could be somewhat helpful to you. Yeah, they're a good little level. I think Ward longed off of took this long this morning on ES. I don't ever like put much weight into it during like the London session, but it can still be a good level. Yeah, on Nasdaq during the New York session, it has a good reactions a lot of the time. So I've been easing myself back into trading the last week or so. I haven't traded New York too much. It's a bit of an awkward time and I've been quite busy. My mum's been over the last week, so I've been seeing her quite a bit. Yeah, I've been doing a lot of London trading, which has been alright. Yeah, I need to invest in another monitor, I think, at some point. Like 2 would be fine if I was literally just trading, but streaming as well. It's handy to have that extra monitor for like the chat and stuff like that. Christmas soon, maybe I'll ask one for Christmas. My birthday, oh, that's for Lego. Have you actually? I assume it's a decent Lego set though, like the Death Star or something. I'm pretty sure that's like 300 quid. Lego's a bit too tedious for me. The old Game Boy one. Dude. What do you mean the old, what, like the Game Boy game, or? Yeah, Game Boy Lego. What do you mean, like a Game Boy game? Even I started done. No, to be fair, I enjoy Lego, to be fair. I'll probably get into it when the little one's older, when he likes it. I miss my Game Boy. Game Boy's quality. Me and the missus want to get Nintendo DS's. They're always really good. How much are those? Anyone know? Good old eBay up. Nintendo DS. Oh, you can get them for like 30 quid. With Steam Deck and run on my old emulators on it, I think. What? Yeah, I think the old school stuff's quality in it. That's where it's at. We used to have a GameCube. We bought one maybe like 5-6 years ago. Had all the controls. Yeah, used to absolutely rinse Mario Kart on it. I'm liking my trade idea. It's just if we come back up here or not. Oh. That order's just been split and pushed down here. There's 200 or something a minute ago with it. Maybe trying to bait price back up. I don't mind the idea of a long backup, but I prefer the idea of shorts today. I think there's a good chance we could come back down for a little sweep and then push back up, hopefully, to my entry. But I don't feel confident enough in that to actually trade it back up, because we might just go without me. Oh, here's the flush. I'll sim trade it. You get the best entries there. Oh, look at this. I'm in long on the front on the take profit account. Oh no, there's more. There's more. We'll come back for that probably. We're getting close to stop loss then, so yeah. Oh, it's gonna be tight. There's another 1,000 down here. I'm going to break even on this, I think. If we flash back down, it could be pretty quick and brutal. So I trailed up on that. Could fly back pretty quick. Back to break even on the day then pretty much after that. Up 150. Took a loss on the sim. Yeah, I don't love that we've still got another fat order sitting down here, so I don't know how much we'll hang about, how much we'll push back up. Where's my stop loss? I think it was around 7.2 area, wasn't it? I think. Yeah, that'd have been taper off a hit, I think, if I'd left it, but not worth the risk. So yeah, I got 600 out of that trade. Not amazing to be fair, but okay, man. Have a good one, man. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, I'm pretty much, I think, back now full time. So I should be live streaming every day. So I'll catch you another day, mate, if you're around. And go back down we come. Hunting that 1,000 contract at 760. Or it's been pulled, spoofed. Back again. 758 now. Cancel my order up at the 780s level. I don't think we're coming back there, not anytime soon anyway. I think a good trade would have been the break and retest of the previous day value low, but we'd already been down there a few times and come back in, so until it breaks out, it's hard to call the short beforehand, isn't it? Look at that, we're off. A 1,000 lot back at down at 753 now. I'm in long again. Looking for a quick reaction. I'm out of that. There's more 1,000 lots pushing further down, and I think it's just gonna keep dragging. I've got about 50 quid out of that. I liked where we were sort of bouncing from. So it would have been lining up nicely with the touch of this. But I just don't love how that they keep putting 1,000 lots further and further down. So yeah, I think my take profit was around 758, so could have got a little bit out of it, but another 1,000 filled. Yo, Liam, what platform is that? The platform is Motivewave. I have no idea who Liam is. I'm Sam. Yeah, no, the platform's Motivewave. I've only been on it about a week. I'm enjoying it. It's alright, mate. It's alright. I'll let you off, Nath. Now, if we pull back up to the sort of 765 area, I like the idea of a short from there. I'm in long. Mark orders in that. Might break even. Come on. I just dragged my take profit up slightly. I'd have been out then. Just liking the strength that it's sort of looking quite strong, so I thought I'd try and get a few more points out of it. Probably going to regret it now. Might break even for safety. I'm out, break even. Oh, I was 1,000 up on that. Just liked the strength. We looked shot up quite nicely. Had a bit of a reaction off of it. Might still get it, but Frustrating because I feel like we're going to come back, but trying to time along, like trying to catch for the knife in it. Another order down here, dragging it down. Right, I'm going to call it. I keep getting more and more tempted to long in areas I shouldn't be long in, so I'm going to call it. Potentially get a reaction from the previous week value area high. I might look at that when we come down there, but or like the idea of a short from the 765 area, which is where the move began really. If we come back there, but that could be later on. Yes, I'm going to call it there anyway before I get carried away. I will be back tomorrow, normal time. It should be back to normal now. It should be every day pretty much. For the New York AM session. And yeah, not a bad day really. Break even basically on the take profit trader account and 1 hour down on the funded. Not the best really, but a day where it's been stopped out by a few ticks twice. It's one of them days, isn't it? One of them days can't be up. Yes, I'll see you all tomorrow. Leo, see you later, mate. Cheers for stopping by, and yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good one. See you later.